girls, so we're going to work a little bit on more about math today, but we're going to work with numbers. And last week we worked with number lines and we did a little bit just 1 to 20. But today we're going to bump it up to 1 to 30. So we're going to do a little bit of exercises to start off with reviewing our numbers, and then we're going to talk a little bit about what you're going to do on the assignment, okay? All right, here we go. Are you ready? Okay, you can join in with your siblings, with your mom and dad on our exercises, or you can do it by yourself like Miss Gish. Okay, are you ready? So we are going to do 1 through 10, and we're going to do, let's do high knees, okay? So I teach my kids this, but you just do this. Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to do 11 to 20, and we're going to do that with, we're going to do some jumping jacks, okay? So we're going to go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then we're going to do 20 or 21 to 30, and let's do that with, let's do dances. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we made it all the way, and you guys can play that again, or you can make up your own dance moves or things like that. But we're going to move on to a little bit of math, and it is, we have a number line here today. Now Miss Gish's whiteboard looks just like your lesson practice sheet, and it's lesson practice number 111. So 111, okay? So I'm gonna read some of them so you can do it with me. But boys and girls, just like if you know how to read or you want to challenge yourself and do it by yourself, you don't have to continue to work with Miss Gish, or you can work right alongside Miss Gish today. So we are going to do a little bit of our lesson practice. And today it says that we are going to work with, let me get my markers ready. It says that we're going to work with our number line. And it says that we are going to, the first one, it says that we are going to color in the number 30 yellow. Now, boys and girls, if you look at my number line, where's our number 30? Good job, boys and girls. It is right here. It's the one right there at the bottom. It's the last number. Good job. So you color that one in yellow. And then, boys and girls, it says you color the 23 red. Now, boys and girls, let me tell you about the number 23. It has a 20 and a 3 in it. So what would that look like? It would be a 2 and a 3. So it would be this one right here where my finger is, right there. Okay? Now, it says to color that one in red. And then it says color the number 15 blue. Now, that's one of our teen numbers. One of our teen numbers usually starts with the number 1, and 15 ends in a 5, right? So, your number 15, is right here. So it's a 1 and a 5. So you would color that one in, and you'd color that one in blue, okay? And then we have one more to do in that row, and it says color the number 27 purple. Now, I'm going to let you figure this one out for yourself for a second. Yep, right there. Nice work. 27 purple. Now, boys and girls, if you missed some of those, you could rewind. So just drag that little dot back on the video, or you could pause and think about those numbers first, and then keep going with me, okay? So we have a few more to find out. Hold on. All right, so we have 4 more ones to color, okay? And it says color the 13 black. The 13 black. Now, also, boys and girls, I want to remind you, make sure that you're not coloring it fully out so I, Mrs. Johnson, and Mrs. Dykes can't see the number underneath. We got to make sure that we can see it, okay? So if you just color really lightly, and I have a black, so I can show you. Or you could also just do it where you color around the number. That works too, okay? So your number 13 is a 1 and a 3. You color that one black. And then it says color the 21 orange. So now you hear that 20 again, and we thought when we had another 20 that it's a 2 to start off with the number. So it's going to be a 2 and a 20. So a 2 and a 1. Now, boys and girls, this is the one that gets tricky for some of you. You say it's a 1 and a 2 instead of a 2 and a 1. So make sure we get that one right. It's a 2 and a 1, and it comes right after the number 20. 21. And you're going to color that one in orange. Okay? And then you're going to color in the number 18 brown. Color in the number 18 brown. I'm not going to tell you which one that is. So I want you to look at your number line, and 18 sounds like it's a teen number, and you're going to color that one in brown. Okay? Then you have one more, 28, and you're going to color in that one green. Color in the number 28 green. I'm not going to tell you which that one is either, but you think about it, is it a teen or is it a 20? That's what you got to think of, a 20. Our 20 number starts with a 2, and our teen number starts with a 1 in front. Okay, that gives you a little trick to help you out, okay? And then on the back of your lesson practice, it's a dot to dot from the 0 to number 20. Yep, so it goes 0 to 20. So you're just going to connect the dots on yours and see what picture it makes. I don't know what picture, so you have to let me know and then you can color it, okay, boys and girls? All right, let's do it one more time with Miss Gish, and we're gonna do some more exercises with our numbers, but this time we are going to count by 5s. You ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We got to 30. We did it right. And now we're going to count by 10s to get to 30. Ready? We're going to clap. 10, 20, 30. We got there. That was so quick. So, boys and girls, those were just little challenges and a little fun for today. But we were working on numbers from 1 to 30. So you can watch this video again if you need some help. Or we're always here to help you, but we're working on the numbers 1 to 30. So you got this, and go ahead and get after it. All right, boys and girls, thank you. Remember to do your exercises too. Bye.